Hi, I'm going to be using this weed barrel to put in my garden today. This is what I'm going to be using to put between the rows. So therefore, so I don't have to worry about weeding all this. So I'm going to try and see how everything works out. Thank you for watching. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting the weed barrel to put between the rows. I'm not going to use mine as high as this. I'm going to kind of cut it so I could put on some smaller rows that I have. And the stakes, I'm going to use these stakes right here. This right here, I thought I had a whole lot. Really look like I don't have a whole lot, but I'm gonna make it work. As long as I keep the majority of the weeds out, that's my main concern. I gotta get a hammer to make sure I got it all the way down in the ground. It really helps to keep this so you don't have to worry about dealing with a bunch of weeds and stuff like that. But y'all see how everything turned out once I get through. Thank you for watching.